I know you are going to make it. It may take time and hard work. It may take some sweat and tears. You may get frustrated. You may become depressed. You may even feel hopeless, and at times you will feel like giving up. Sometimes you may even feel wonder if the struggle is really worth it, but I have confidence in you. I have faith in your ability and willpower. I believe you will surmount in and difficulty. I know you will make it if you keep on trying. Whatever you do, just don't give up. You will reach your goals. Your dreams will become true. You will achieve great success. I understand you. I love you. I support you. You're a hero. You're a miracle. You're a superstar. You're totally unique. You're the greatest person in the world. So whatever you do, don't give up.